I'm Dr. Carson Nail. I'm the dentist here at Custom Dental of South Oklahoma City. If you're not already a patient of mine, you might not know that the reason I got into dentistry is from a dental experience I had myself. I had braces in the 8th grade, and I saw the huge impact that had on my smile and my confidence that I thought it'd be cool to be the guy responsible for letting that happen for another person. A few other things about me. I'm married to my beautiful wife Whitney, and we have one child named Parker. He takes most of our time up, but when we're not chasing him around, I like to play some golf with the buddies, go to the lake, hang out outdoors, and just spend time with my friends and family. So if you're ever in the South Oklahoma City area looking for a dentist, just stop by. We'd love to get to know you.